Start. Hello, hi everyone. This is Sami here from Agronomy Solutions. As you know, my previous video was about the super quality C/R Robusta. So most of the people, they just told me, asked me what are my OTs of Robusta Cherry as well as Parchment, and what are my quality. How am I? How can I classify my OTs as well as the quality of the coffee. So what we did is, like, we just went to the curing works called NKG. We just took the samples of our lots. So when we took the samples of lots, we got the whole parameters. Like, I'll just show you what are the parameters they count, and like how the C/R can be maintained well, and OT levels we can maintain to an extent. As I've told you before also, OTs, like, if you pick up the crop early, then the OTs you get more. If you pick bags will be less. When you pick up the crop little later, then the OTs will be low, bags will be more. So this is the funda, but like, I just want to show you the quality, as most of the people were curious about the super quality C/R Robusta for us. So then coming back, you can see here they are just, again I'm telling you, they're separating the green bean. So green bean is again from here, it's coming to this yard. So you can see the percentage of green bean. Now December 24th, we have almost finished 25-30% of first round. We finished our fruit picking. Second round we are coming with stripping, and 25-30% of our harvesting is done. So this is how we are doing it. As we can only concentrate on basics, because we don't have an infrastructure of green bean sorter or dryer. So we believe in sun-dried coffee. So this is how we can. I'll just show you the lots of parchment. Then coming back, I'll just show you the parameters, how well we have maintained by nutrition management. Because in all my videos I have already spoken about the nutrition management. Why nutrition management is very important? You can see the parameters. As we are doing parchments, we have got lights also. So you can see my lights parameters as well as the green, which is actually called cherries. So these are the parchment lots. अके बोलो क्रेट लेके आओ बेटा थोड़ा. अके बोल वो क्रेट लेके आओ थोड़ा. So these are the parchment lots, which is very beautifully managed, one of the best lots. So coming back, idhar rakho. So coming back to the parameters, so there are three samples. One is cherry lights, one is the cherry, third one is parchment. So let me check. So this is lights, cherry lights. ये zoom करो बेटा. Clean से zoom करो. Zoom किया. तो here इधर आके. So this is light cherry NKG India coffee. So these are the parameters from NKG what we have got. So it's been tested from NKG. So quad ton percentage 50.2. That is, again, my OTs of lights is also 25. Moisture 8.5, that is over dried. Then coming to 7 to 10 mm bean 2.8. 6 to 65 mm 6 to 65 70 mm 10.1. 60 mm 35.0. So 5 mm 27.1. Bull 2. Blacks 2.5. You can just check here. So this is the parameters. This is the result of lights. When this is the result of light, you can imagine how about the greens, that is cherry lot. So I'll show you the next cherry lot. Then coming back to, we'll go for the parchment lot. So you have seen this. So this is the lights. So in the lights we have got little bit of blacks percentage. So this is lights. Now this is whole cherry lot. Clean se dikha diya? Huh? In this whole cherry lot, we have got quiet turn percentage 58.3, that is 29.1% is the OT. So this is the beautiful OT in Robusta seen to us, where this is the results of process. Like I always used to tell that like nutrition management is very important. So lot of factors are we have to consider a lot of factors for coming to this 29.1 OT. So this is not in only one lot. You can see you have seen my results of my lights as well. So coming back to moisture is 11.6, little over dried. Again 7 to 10 mm is 7.4, 6.65 mm, 6.70 mm, 17.7, 60 mm 38.3. तो 50 mm 26.5, तो built 1.1, तो black 9.0. So this is the slip where it shows the authenticity of my super quality Robusta. So we are just concentrating on basics. Basics is how to maintain the OTs, how to maintain the best quality of coffee, because we are not into specialty coffees, or we don't have such kind of infrastructure and all that. We are just only concentrating on this, and this material is what we are multiplying for seeds or nurseries. So this is the slip of NKG India coffee, where it has been tested, and I am showing you the results. So 29.1, you can just imagine how good our coffees are. So this is cherry. Now coming back to the parchment. Robusta parchment NKG India coffee, which is tested on 23rd 12 2024. So this is the copy where you can see all the results. Clean se dikh raha hai. So here quiet turn is 86.9%. So cutoff it varies from curing to curing. Cutoff might be 80, 81. So these are the results. Moisture is 11.5. So you can just check all the other parameters here. So what else you need? These are the results of pure nutrition management, as well as your irrigation system, as well as how quick you harvest your crop, and how quickly you release your plant from the burden. So a lot of factors. Climate is also a biggest factor involved in it. So a lot of factors are involved in it. But coming back to the thing is, your nutrition management should be perfect. So these are the copies which has been tested from this curing works. I have given to other curing works also. So this is how we are. We do our homeworks about the OTs, about moistures, about blacks, or about our bean size and all that. So these are the results. You can just have a look at it. So most of the people were curious to know the super quality seen to our about the OTs of super quality seen to our. So these are the results of super quality seen to our Robusta. So I have showed you the live results, live copy, what are the percentages, what are the blacks. So this is how we have to do our homeworks before selling, or before sending it to our traders. So once we rectify all our mistakes, so there will be a better crop, better management of the plant, and everything will fall in place. So this was a small video to make you people aware about our OTs and our percentage of blacks and how we are maintaining our quality. So I hope you have liked the video. Please like the video, share the video, press the bell button for the more agri activities what's happening in our state. We can give you the more information. It's very difficult to make a video and do it, so I need your support to go to the next level. Thank you one and all. As Agronomy Solutions only believes in agriculture is our culture. Thank you.